These are my 3 favorite tools to help inventors, product creators, and patent lawyers build better patents in 2025. My name's Jeff Shell. I'm a patent lawyer with over 15 years of experience, a venture partner with an international VC, and a multi-exit entrepreneur with 2 8-figure exits under my belt. If you are interested in building, launching, and protecting new valuable products, or in venture capital or intellectual property in general, I'd appreciate if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. I think AI is uniquely positioned and uniquely valuable for patents because patents involve so much writing and content development around developing specific technical disclosure and expanding upon that specific technical disclosure. So AI is uniquely valuable for patents. If you're a patent attorney in 2025 and not thinking about what tools to use or how to use tools that incorporate artificial intelligence, there's no question you're falling behind. But on the flip side, if you are an inventor or a patent attorney that is overly relying on AI to do everything, I don't think that's the right approach either. So today I'm sharing my 3 favorite AI tools that help me and my clients with building better patent portfolios. These tools aren't just time savers, they're game changers, and they're transforming the way that I go about drafting documents that are in some way related to patents. Okay, so the first tool that I use on a daily basis and that I absolutely love is Eve Legal. One of the reasons I like Eve Legal is that it gives me more control than these one-shot patent drafting systems that are popping up or seemingly popping up all over the place. I think the problem with one-prompt patent application drafting tools is that they don't give you enough fidelity and precision with how you want to structure and organize your patent application. I like that Eve Legal's tools let me actually get into the patent application and on a more granular basis, literally serve as a co-pilot as opposed to taking over the drafting process as a whole. I think that part of the value, and frankly, probably the main value that patent attorneys give to their clients in 2025 is advising how to maximize the value associated with the patent application, which of course requires you to understand how to technically disclose and describe the concepts that are being protected by the patent. But on a more strategic level, how can you expand and structure the patents in a way that are going to be meaningful to the business? One of the things that I really don't like about most of the single prompt or few prompt AI patent development tools is that they don't really take that nuance in terms of the business strategy into account when they generate this completely AI developed patent application. What I like about Eve Legal is that on a granular basis, I can take elements of the patent application and assemble that patent application together with the help of AI on a piece-by-piece basis. In my experience, using Eve Legal has helped me develop more enabled patent applications with better examples and do so with huge time savings. So I think the end result is that I'm developing much better patent applications and patent portfolios in the same time that it would take me before to develop maybe smaller patent applications with less disclosure, as opposed to having a one-shot prompt that saves 90% of the time and gets to a maybe weaker patent application, something akin to what might have been developed before the help of AI tools. One other thing that I really like about Eve Legal is that I can actually program AI agents. So I can actually build AI workflows to help me structure the patent application, but not have it build the patent application or the patent portfolio in and of itself on its own, and then have me go in and review it, which frankly for me takes longer and makes me feel like there's nuance that is missing. My first favorite tool, hands down, is Eve.legal. I absolutely love it. My second favorite tool that helps me build better patent-related documents is Spellbook. Spellbook is a software that directly integrates with Microsoft Word and does incorporate prompting to help build vetted clauses into a document. But like Eve Legal, what I really like about Spellbook is that it is granular in nature. And what that means is that I can actually research a specific clause by clause, and actually build a document piece by piece with that nuance to the situation while the AI is helping me and essentially helping me work more efficiently. I think the common thread between both eve.legal and Spellbook is that they don't take over for the attorney. They actually are true co-pilots that help the attorney maintain that nuance, the context that's given from the client and that accounts for the client's specific situation, but makes the attorney work much more efficiently while allowing the attorney to have the context in their mind. I really like that Spellbook directly integrates with Microsoft Word, so if I do have a document that I'm negotiating with another party or building for a client, it's not as though I need to completely replace what has already been built or proposed. One other thing that's really important for me in association with Spellbook is that it actually reviews the clauses and prompts in a way that doesn't necessarily automatically replace what's happening, but it flags different items of concern. Sometimes the items aren't really of concern, and I, as the lawyer, have the opportunity to make that judgment call for myself without relying on that AI. Spellbook's another great tool. I think it's mandatory for my attorney tech stack in 2025 and certainly has helped my patent drafting workflow. The third tool that I absolutely love as a patent attorney, especially because it empowers my clients to help with the patentability search process and perform a better pre-attorney patentability search on their own. That tool is called PQAI. PQAI stands for Patent Quality Through Artificial Intelligence. And it's an open source patent search tool, actually, that really transforms how inventors and my clients conduct prior art searches. One of the really great things about PQAI is that it has a great natural language interface. So when you're searching patent databases or even Google patents, usually to get an effective search, you need to incorporate non-natural language syntax into your search terms. For example, when an attorney is performing a patentability search, they may want to incorporate specific technical jargon and syntax related to art groups, related to whatever the invention is, or maybe they want to look at a specific assignee for who owns a patent. And PQAI makes it easier for inventors and my clients to independently perform their own searching to supplement what I'm doing. Another nice thing about PQAI is it combines the search mechanisms for patent documents, and I think it has over 11 million patent documents in the US in its database. So very similar to the scope of coverage that we might have if we're searching more technical tools. But it also includes over 10 million scholarly articles. So you can simultaneously search for patent documents and scholarly articles that have been published in academic research papers to get a better sense of what prior art is relevant to your product. From my understanding of PQAI, it's used AI specifically to create more of a semantic understanding through this ranking system. So it essentially takes the terms that a searcher enters into the search tool and really ranks the products or the prior art that is most relevant to a sentence as opposed to this complex, convoluted syntax, and presents the ranked references back to the searcher. It's really helpful for people that are just searching with natural language, and AI reasoning presents the results in a way that makes sense. I've gotten a lot of usefulness out of the references that my clients have provided to me before I actually start my own search. And often I will probably hit on the same documents with my search that my clients have been able to hit on just from typing in natural language sentences. So PQAI is great with regard to that ranking system that it provides. So my 3 favorite AI tools in association with patent matters are Eve Legal, Spellbook, and PQAI. Do you like those tools too? Are there other tools I should be looking at? Let me know in the comments. And as always, I appreciate when you like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about the patent process or want to talk to me about a particular patent project, feel free to get in touch with me at shellip.com. Thanks, and I will see you soon.